welcome to day 2 of our 30-day yoga trapeze for weight loss and fitness challenge. Today we are not going to need the hammock, just the handles. Since it's a Tuesday, this is a very powerful day. We are going to be doing a HIIT style workout. So again, just listen to your body and let's get to it. We're going to start by warming up. We're going to take the middle handles, come to sit down, and then we're going to round and release. So pulling the shoulders back as we open through the heart and then let go. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Then slowly coming up to stand. Staying holding onto those middle handles, we're going to come into a lunge. Left foot is coming forward. Then we're going to straighten both legs. Inhale, bend. Exhale and inhale. Lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Hold it low. Then we're going to press the handles out, twist to the left over that left thigh. Inhale, center. Exhale to twist. Inhale. If you want to do a little bit more, we can bend that back knee as we twist. Inhale to straighten the back leg. Exhale, bend and twist. Inhale to lengthen. Twice more. Nice. Then coming back to center. We'll go ahead and straighten our spine over that front leg. Front leg is straight as well. Then inhale, press the ground away. Exhale and inhale. Once more. Nice. Then slowly coming to stand back up. Right foot forward this time, high lunge, so my back leg is straight. We're going to straighten the front leg, maybe lift that front heel, then lower back down. You can even work the arms a little bit, pulling them in as you lower, exhaling to press the hands away as you straighten. Again, just warming up the body. 4, 3, 2, and 1. On this next one, we're going to twist as we bend into that front knee, twist over towards the bent leg. Inhale, back. Exhale. Inhale, back. And again, if you want a little bit more of a challenge, bend that back knee as you twist and dip. 4, 3, keep the hands pushing into the straps. 2, and 1. Nice, and coming back to center, straighten that front leg. Spine lengthens over that front thigh, hands behind you. As you exhale, press up. Inhale, back. Exhale, keep pressing down into the palms, working the arms and the shoulders. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale to lift. Last time, exhale. Inhale up. Nice. Stepping the feet in. Okay, we're going to take our handles, the highest ones, walk the feet so they're right underneath the insertion point. Then we're just going to lean back, but instead of just slumping, I want to make sure that my shoulders are pulling together behind my back so the heart is open and my chest is facing up. Then we're going to bend the elbows to stand up. Inhale to just lean back. Again, not dropping the back of the shoulders, pull them back, standing up. If that's too easy for you, you can walk your feet forward, lengthen back. Exhale, be a little bit more of a challenge to sit up. Or if you want a bigger challenge, grab the middle handles, lean out. Exhale, pull up. Inhale to lean out. Exhale to lift. Inhale down. Exhale. Nice. So now that we're warming up a little bit, we're gonna move a little bit faster. I'm all about form over the amount of reps that you do though. So feel into your body, take your time, find your level. We're gonna do it for 1 minute, starting now. Always exhaling on the exertion, inhaling on the down. And again, if you've ever gone too far, or you're starting to like, I have to stop, just go down a level. So maybe you go back to the higher handles, maybe you walk the feet back under the insertion point. It's better to always do something, because then you'll come back stronger versus just taking a break. You have less than 30 seconds. You got it, 15 seconds. Again, instead of stopping, I'm just gonna keep switching out. And done. Nice, so we'll take a little 15-second break. Maybe rock the shoulders, maybe some arm circles, flick out the fingers, the wrists. Nice. So now we're going to hold on to the middle handles. We're going to really take our weight into our left foot, bring that right foot up to your knee or your thigh or your shin, and then we're going to sit back, exhale, press. Really trying to make this more so about the legs, so if you need to reach a little bit higher, we really want to press into that leg. Inhaling down, exhaling up. It'll be more of a challenge with the handles, holding the middle handle. So we're going to start now. We're just doing 30 seconds on one side. You got it. 10 more seconds. If you need to put your foot down, you can. Just really try to keep your weight in your standing leg. 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Taking a break. Do what you need to do. Let's do a little 10-second break here. Then other side. So coming into that right foot, left toes can just be tapped or foot is glued to the inside of your thigh. And we'll start in 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit it back and lift. Inhale, exhale. In through the nose, out through the nose. Down and up. You had it 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Take your break. Now we're gonna do both feet coming into a chair squat. So if you need to walk back a little bit, you can to create some resistance. Again, middle handles will be slightly harder. Top handles a little bit less of a challenge. So again, I want my weight to really stay into my feet, so I'm not really using my hands too much. Then exhale, press. Maybe even press the hands out as you sit up. If you're holding on to the highest handles, just little squat back and lift. And we'll start now. Down and out. Inhale and exhale. In through the nose, out through the nose. 15 seconds in, 44, 45 more seconds. Tuesdays are the day where I think it's Mars rules this day, very fiery planet. That's why when you try to start things on Monday, it never works out, because that's moon day, a day of rest. There we go, 30 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Take your break, breathing in. We're gonna come down onto the mat. So move your handles out of the way. Then we're going to sit down. And then you need to cross one leg over. So if I'm gonna turn to my left, I need my right leg on top. So I'm gonna put my left leg in first. It can be right around the ankle. Then right leg needs to be on top. So then when I rotate to the left, my feet are now in line with my body. I'm gonna place my left forearm down. If you need to have your hips down, you can. You just pull your knees in and out, or place that right hand down, keep the hips lifted, bring the knees to the right shoulder. We'll do that for 30 seconds in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Get ready. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Twenty seconds. Just 10 seconds. Find your level. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Set the hips down. Take a little bit of a breather. We'll start the other side. In 10, 9, 8. So right hand down. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. So either hips down, just bringing those knees in, or hips lifted, knees coming into that shoulder. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Set it down. Whew. Okay, we're gonna come into a plank hold. So you can have your elbows down. We'll start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So just holding here 1 minute. With our feet being in the straps, this adds a little bit of an extra stability challenge. This is the final exercise before we stretch. 30 seconds. Breathe. If you need to set your knees down, you can, but try to come right back up. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just set the hips down. Elbows under the shoulders. Pull the elbows back towards the hips. Deep breath. Whew. Good work. Good work. Nice, and slowly take the feet out of the straps. We'll press back. Sitting your hips onto your heels, grab hold of the lowest handles. You can bring the handles together, fingers together, reaching forward, stretching through the back of the spine. 3 more rounds of breath. Nice, then press the hands over to the left, pull back through that right hip. 2 more rounds of breath here. Inhaling back to center. Exhale over to the right, pull back through that left hip, breathe. 2 rounds of breath. Feel free to exhale out of your mouth. Then coming back to center, tuck your toes underneath, sitting back. Reach for those middle handles, taking the arms back behind you, send the hips forward. And then exhale, tuck the tailbone, let the shoulders come up by the ears, slumping forward while stretching in through the backs of the legs. 2 more rounds of the breath, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Once more. Then nice and slow, sitting up, untucking the toes. You can point the toes, rock back to the balls of your feet, to the tops of your feet. Maybe lifting one knee, then the other. Maybe both, then sitting down, rock on those ankles. Thank you so much. Congratulations, day 2. Again, the time's just gonna keep passing anyways, so might as well just stick to this. We'll always be doing about 15-minute workouts, so not very long. That is less than a TV show. That's 5 Instagram reels. You can do it. Super proud of you. Again, please let me know if you have any comments, questions, feedback. We're in this together. You can also head to my Facebook group. I have Yoga-Trapeze lovers, as well as Yoga-Trapeze tips and tricks Facebook group, where I give all my tips and tricks, as well as fun posts in the lovers group. So join the community. Let's get to know each other, support each other. Have a beautiful day.